Hey there, and welcome back to How to Fix Techie. PDFs are great until you want to edit them. Need to add text, move elements, or delete a page. Most free tools are limited or leave watermarks, but not today. I'll show you how to edit any PDF easily on your laptop using Canva, and it's 100% free. Let's jump in. First, go to canva.com and log in. If you don't have an account, create one. It's free and takes just a minute. From the homepage, click Create a Design and search for A4 document. This is perfect for most PDFs. Now go to the Uploads tab on the left and upload your PDF file. Once it's uploaded, drag the PDF onto the canvas. Canva will load all pages, and you can click on each one individually. Now here's where the magic happens. To edit text, just click on it. You can change the font, size, color, anything. To add new text, use the text tool on the left. To delete or move images, just select and drag or hit delete. To add logos, signatures, or pictures, go to Uploads and drag them in. You can even rearrange or delete entire pages with the trash icon. Once you're done editing, click Share, choose Download, and select PDF Standard or Print depending on your need. Click Download. And your new PDF is ready. No watermark, no cost. If you found this video helpful, then subscribe to our channel, How to Fix Techie, and press the bell icon so you never miss any update.